Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is the Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show report for January 27th in the year of perfect vision. Today being the first full day of the entourage coming to the roast and saying, no, he didn't do it. Frank, this is pitiful. The defense sounds like a combination of Fog Leghorn, Robin was coked to the gills, and Grandpa Simpson telling a story about anything. Totally unfocused. I believe the operative phrase is, if you can't dazzle them with brilliance, baffle them with bullshit. Well, that's where it's at. Because I'm not hearing any sanity in the Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show today. None at all.